Huh?
You should like that nigga took your lunch money or some shit. Just walk off like a boss. For all my zones. I'm scared.
Don't be scared, bro.
And the shit, the sides moving.
What's that shit?
Just hold that.
Hey. What is YouTube? It's your boy Bright, back with a new video, you know what I'm saying? Got my edge, you know what I'm saying? Barber did me right. I mean, let me show y'all the dreads, you know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all. So, today, getting my car downpiped and muffler delete. I want to get my blow valve in it, but we'll see. I got to find different shops for blow valve. So, but I've been calling shop after shop after shop. I need to learn more about cars because I'm trying to like get my shit done. I know about cars, but I'm not no nerd. Like I need to know more. I'm trying to become a nerd. So I just want to talk to you. I'm saying like when I be doing this YouTube shit, I'm like recording this shit, like I be insecure and shit. You know what I'm saying? I be scared. I don't want people to watch me while I'm recording this shit. As I'm doing this shit, if I may look brave to you, I'm not. I'm scared. To get my tattoo is scary. Coming out of my comfort zone is scary, but I'm doing it, and I'm showing y'all that I'm doing it so y'all can do it too, you know what I'm saying? Like, when I tell y'all can do it, y'all can do it. If I'm doing it, y'all can do it, you know what I'm saying? A year ago, I was scared. I was obese. I was stupid fat. I did not want to go out the house. I didn't want to do shit. Now I'm going out. I'm hanging out with my friends. I'm doing car shit. Like, I can do it, y'all can do it too. Y'all can get in shape, y'all can lose weight, y'all can get healthy. I'm down 166 pounds. I'm gonna drop a video on how I did that when I'm done finishing losing weight right now. I'm trying to get to 180, I'm like 20-30 pounds away. And I'm gonna show you my progression, where I started from to where I got to where I'm at now, you know what I'm saying? Well, where I'm gonna be, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just letting y'all know, like, I'm trying to sit here and give y'all a little heart to heart, like, if I can do it, y'all can do it. I was scared, I'm still scared. I'm trying to get better at making these videos for y'all. I'm trying to be more proud, have more pride, more confidence in myself. And I'm working through it. I'm getting there as I go, day by day, you know what I'm saying? And I want y'all to know y'all can do it too. We all can be these confident ass people that's trying to vlog and conquer life. It don't matter if you don't want to do YouTube. You can be confident in your business. You can be confident in your schoolwork. You know what I'm saying? You can be confident, whatever the fuck you want to be confident in. You know what I'm saying? Like, just be confident, you know what I'm saying? Get that pride. Right now, I'm working on mine, so y'all can work on y'all's with me, you know what I'm saying? We all gonna do it. We all gonna reach our goal. We all gonna succeed this year, you know what I'm saying? Simple as that. Tight shit, you know what I'm saying? Tight shit.
You go, big Tesla.
What?
That tree there.
Where? Alright, we on the street now. We in sport mode. Disc is off. Don't even know what that means, but let go. You know what I'm saying? Love it. I just want to hear the turbo. Like, I just want to hear yourself like a little kid again. I love hearing car sounds. Like, it just calms my head. Like, if I was a smoker, like, this would be my drug. Like, just driving my car and hearing the sound of it. Like, this is my drug.
I'm reloading! So I'm shooting at the bottom? I thought you said top. Oh, I get it.
Hold up.
I'm reloading.
Walk off like a boss. For all my zones. See?
Niggas scared me loaded. I shot that bitch one time. I said, hold up.
Man, fuck that. That shit.
If we would have had some skin, it would have.
What that shit do to you?
Huh?
You should by that nigga took your lunch money or some shit.
Right
Like,
foot
lean
back,
forward.
hunch forward a little.
Yeah, hunch forward a little like the police be doing.
Yeah. That's great.
But straighten your arms. Arms are like bent. It's like they're supposed to be like up to your eye, right? Your arms
I mean,
straight.
he's straight.
He got his arms bent like this.
He's straight. He's for sure straight.
How's it supposed to be?
He
I
doesn't look-
don't know.
As long as he's feel me, that form is really good. You shit though. On top of it. Hold on, I gotta show you the dot. Right in the middle. Push it.
Oh yeah. Bust that shit.
Just hold that. Hey, hold that gun down, nigga.
I'm holding that airball. Why that airball, right?
It don't look like you did. No, you didn't.
Hold that shit, my boy.
Good shit. Hey! Next. Stomach shot. Headshot.
Alright.
Put that bitch
Yes,
down.
sir.
Put that bitch down. Put that bitch down. Put that bitch down. Even though I don't want this nigga coming back up.
Hard to see your guns and tattoos. Fucking idiots. What'd you say?
That's gonna be the thumbnail.
What'd you say?
What happened to C-Boy, Bright?
What?
What happened to C-Boy?
What happened to see? How the fuck you get a gun and a tattoo? He's been playing my park.
Right?
Shit ain't had, they don't got that much of a kickback, bro.
What'd you say?
My shit don't got that much of a kickback at all.
I got good aim. My op will be right in front of me. This is perfect. My op will be right. That's great.
You know niggas be ducking the corner.
That's great aim. What you mean?
I'm finna move that bitch far. I wanted to see you shoot quick. I gotta test myself now.
That's an op right there. Let a YouTube nigga say something to me.
Welcome to our right?
Fuck you talking about? That shit do got a kick though.
Nigga say what?
Not a regular YouTuber.
What'd you say?
I said I'm not a regular.
Not a regular YouTuber. Let a fuck nigga know for real. Let a nigga know for real.
YouTube would be on that
Hey,
fact.
I know you see my gun rage video, nigga. Like, don't play with me, nigga. I'm fucking dead.
What YouTuber you see going to the gun range? Them boys ain't really with it.
They ain't really shooting shit, bro.
They ain't really with it like that.
They ain't getting no bullseye for real.
This is where shit get difficult, I feel like.
Nigga trying to shoot a 3-pointer.
This is where it's gonna get.